Hi, I'm Alanna Doherty and I'm the queen of Maximalist style. I think there's a quote from Coco Chanel where she said that every time you walk out the door you need to take something off. That is the opposite of how I live. So I'm going to show you how to add more and more and more to really make an outfit pop. This is a bit like just basic for me and I like textures, I like more silhouettes. So I pulled this Kai piece that I absolutely love and already we've got some shape going on. The next thing for me would be shoes. What I would do is still kind of like stay within the same color family but bring another color into this. These Cat McConney shoes are the perfect way to do that and also give me a bit more height. We're gonna go to my favorite part, which is the accessories. The first thing I'm gonna put on is these incredible earrings. They're like swirly and the color is gorgeous. Then we're gonna do some necklaces. This one is one of my favorite ones. It's a little crab. This is from Parfois. I've got so many incredible pieces from them. I've got this one. I've got the little starfish one. I'm actually gonna put these on together. If I could add a third, I would, but you know what? I think this is a good place to stop because we also want like the drama of the top to really shine. So the next thing that we're gonna do is put on some rings. So most of them are actually from Parfois, the really big ones. This one on my thumb is from Pandora. This one is from Etsy. This one is actually from my collection with July Child. So the final touch, we have to have a bag. So I think we'll do this one. Okay, here you go. This gorgeous little Regina Pyle. Actually, this was another vintage find of mine. Her bags generally retail for a few £100s and I got this really cheap. This is the finished outfit. Let me show you. If you want something that is really unique, small businesses is where it's at. You'll never find this shirt somewhere else, and so shopping small, to me, is the best way. Recently, I have been loving African designers. Some of the brands that I love is like Goro, we have Imad Dosso. There are so many gorgeous brands that celebrate color, celebrate women's bodies, and honestly, when you put these clothes on, you just feel so amazing. I think if you have clothes, you should wear your clothes. If I can't wear a piece more than 5 times at 5 different ways, it doesn't make sense buying it. If I can only wear it for one occasion, one time, it's better to rent it.